Hey gang, and welcome to the final monthly update video for HYPO. There'll still be weekly updates for the foreseeable future, but this is the last one covering the entire month's progress. With that, let's get into it. This month started with our pitching event, where we took gameplay footage we had ready to Dundee to practice our pitching. We got to meet our fellow game teams and got to know their projects. This event confirmed our participation at EGX 2019 in London. Michael also prepared us some promotional art, which helped us immensely with the game's trailer, which also came out this month. In preparation for the trailer, I also finalised some sprites for the enemies we had in-game, which brings us to the game content itself. This month saw a drastic change in the enemies seen in-game. We made the decision that having a unique troop of enemies for each playable hero would be an awful idea, especially at EGX, where people are probably going to play through the game as one hero and then put the game down, resulting in them only playing a quarter of what we worked on. Of course, people who enjoyed playing it the first time may want to play the game as a new hero just for the challenge of beating the game with each hero's new skills. We may release a second demo later with more of a focus on story, with this one being focused more on gameplay. All of the demo's enemies are now completed, and the skills are all planned, so we now simply finish implementing the skills themselves to begin on what may make or break the game demo, which is balancing. This will be the main focus of next month's work before EGX, along with implementing controller support, and I'm not using a GameCube controller as a placeholder here. That's all for this month's update. Thanks to my patrons on Patreon. If you look now, there's something you might enjoy, especially if you can't make it to EGX. See ya!